In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste in Google Docs. This is most basic skill in Docs. It's used constantly for duplicating text, moving content around, or bringing information maybe from other website to your document. So let me show you how you can copy and paste. So the first way how you can copy and paste, let's say I would like to copy this paragraph. I'm going to select it and then right click, copy, and you can use this shortcut Ctrl+C. If you are on Mac, Command+C, then we can create a new page, and I'm gonna press Command+V. So this is how you can paste it, or right click and click on paste. But now let's say if you want to copy something from, let's say, Wikipedia, and you see that there are those hyperlinks, highlighted text with the blue color, and if you copy this, I'm gonna select it, copy, I'm gonna paste it in my Google Docs. You can see that you have all of those hyperlinks. If you want to get rid of them, you can right click and you can click on paste without formatting, or you can use this shortcut. And this is basically going to paste the text without any formatting. Now, if you want to copy and paste table, it's very simple. I can open my document with my table. So let's say this one. I'm gonna just select it by holding and dragging my left mouse button. Then right click, copy. We can go back to our first document. And then here place the cursor where you want to paste it. Click on Ctrl+V or right click and paste. And now you have your table copied. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.